Did you know that Surajpur Wetlands was once on the brink of destruction, yet now it stands as a beacon of hope for biodiversity? Good morning, friends. In this video, you will discover the compelling story of Surajpur Wetlands. It's a tale of triumph, tragedy, and transformation. I have been making efforts for a 6 episode program since September this year, regularly visiting here every 3 weeks. In these episodes, I have tried to highlight the development efforts at Surajpur Wetlands and the effects on the local and the migratory birds who make this a home. Over the years, Surajpur Wetlands was a hidden gem close to the towering city of Greater Noida. But very few people who knew this place used to come here as a change to see and photograph the migratory birds in the winter. The place, although, was left almost unmanaged until a couple of years ago, and the lake was brimming with water hyacinth edge to edge. There was garbage lying everywhere and in the water and was affecting the wildlife greatly. The initial threats were not just these that the wetlands faced. These also included the growing urbanization, the growing pollution, and the overall neglect by the authorities that had put its rich biodiversity at great risk. Today, on this fifth episode, I summarize the good and the bad that's been happening here as I take you on the journey inside this beautiful birders paradise.
Such a beautiful environment, a lot of people here today. So as you can see, this is a place they have made and cleared up the lake to observe these birds. And the background is a lot of noise from these ducks.
We will also see that how this development is changing to be a birders paradise and how it's benefiting the visiting wildlife.
Wow, so many birds over there. These are all the migratory birds that have come in, mostly ducks. I can see from here are still very far, but very beautiful. From here, I'll try and take some pictures of these ducks from the other side. And with the sun now up, it's probably going to be very beautiful. They're just sitting over there.
As we explore further, we can see the efforts made by the local authorities in the last few months, the communities, and the environmentalists from the World Wildlife Federation of India to restore this wetland. The strategies they have implemented to enhance the popularity of the place once again and to get the wildlife back again in the lake has been significant. Massive cleaning efforts have gone in. The lake is now clear of the weeds that were choking the water. Clear marked path which is safe for people to walk on have been developed, and people can now explore the wetlands all around. These pagodas and these watchtowers have been made around the lake for the bird enthusiasts to come in and take pictures from a distance from these spots and enjoy the wildlife, all the while not disturbing the birds. While less birds have migrated this year due to the development efforts, the overall journey of the Surajpur Wetlands and its development, it's pointing to the glory which is coming soon. These efforts will surely bear its fruit in the coming years, as I'm sure there will be more local and migratory birds moving in soon. While you enjoy today's pictures and videos of these birds enjoying their new and clean environment, I also remind you that the importance of the conservation and community involvement is a lot in protecting these natural habitats. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I encourage you to share your thoughts on the overall conservation and development efforts, and also my efforts in making these episodes for Surajpur Wetlands. Please check out my other videos for the wildlife encounters, and please like and subscribe to encourage this channel.